Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to set up sound drivers in your Windows 3.1 virtual machine. I assume you're using VirtualBox, so it might not work with DOSBox, VMware or other programs where you have this problem. Also, I've installed Windows 3.1 on top of MS-DOS 6.22. Alright, let's get started. The links of everything you need to download will be in the description below the video. So yeah, actually Windows 3.1 does not install sound drivers upon setup. This is a clean install with all the default settings. And by being a clean install, it also doesn't have CD-ROM drivers, so you might not be able to attach an ISO file. But anyway, I'm distributing the files in different formats, so it's easier for you to transfer them over to the VM. You can either attach a floppy, as I'm doing right now, or if you set up the VM with a virtual hard disk file, you can also directly gain access to the disk through Windows itself and simply copy them with your host. Okay, excuse me for this part, but the cursor stops working when I'm screen recording. Anyway, copy the files from the 3 floppy disks onto the machine itself, and that can be achieved fairly easily as Windows 3.1 actually supports drag and drop. Just create a folder for the setup files, using short names of course, then select all the files from the first floppy and finally drag them into the new folder. After that, mount the next floppy and so on until all the files are on the C drive. I won't be doing it in this way because I have access to the VM's hard drive. Here's how I'll do it. I'll first open Disk Management. You see these two options, Create VHD and Attach VHD. This format is exactly a virtual hard drive, which can be mounted directly into File Explorer, and also you can create one pretty easily. And it's recognized by VirtualBox, which is really nice. Now, simply drag and drop the files from the folder. You can also see the directory that I made earlier from Windows 3.1 itself. And finally, the installation part. The Sound Blaster driver doesn't want to work through Windows, so you'll have to end the session and do it in DOS instead. You have to remember the name of the folder where you put the installation files and also the full path so you can navigate to it. Run the install program. It's actually pretty simple. You just press enter a few times. Choose full installation. Yes, the settings are correct. Enter once more. Now it will start checking the disk space, then it will copy some files, write some stuff to the autoexec.bat file, which is one of the most important files that loads DOS itself, so nothing to worry about. Though it's smart to choose to back up some files, not that I even know what to do when something breaks. Yeah, and it'll restart real quick here, and it should work now. Alright, thanks for watching, hope it helped you, and why not subscribe to the channel? I mean, I post retro computing videos like this one from time to time.